Hello all and welcome to video series on C# 3.0 LINQ Features. Now we'll discuss about Collection Initializer feature. Let's move to the code. Now here you can see we have customer class which we have already created in previous video. Now let's move to main method. Now here you can see we have created a collection of customer class object. So the first line declares the collection list of customer. The name of our collection is customers equal to new list of customer. Now we want to add some objects to our collection. So we call add method. So we say customers.add and we pass object of customer class here. So we say new customer number equal to 1, customer name equal to John. Likewise, we call add method for every object. So we have added 4 objects here by calling add method 4 times. In the same way, you can create collection of any type. So let us create a collection of strings. So I'll say list of string, say names equal to new list of string. Let me add some names to it. So we call add method by passing the name. So names.add. Add method is called again. So we have created a collection of customer class object. We have created collection of strings. Let us try collection of integers also. Numbers equal to new list of int. So this way you can create a collection of any type. Now the new feature Collection Initializer allows you to specify more than one element when you initialize a collection. So with Collection Initializer, you don't have to call add method explicitly multiple times, but compiler will do this for us. So let us try the above code using Collection Initializer. So let us try this first for customer class object. Here I'll take the code. So let me just give the comment for this. So here I will say list of customer. Name it as customers. Now here collection is declared, but will not complete this. We'll use opening closing curly brackets and then semicolon. Now you specify one or more elements inside opening closing curly brackets. So here I'll take it to the next line, and here we'll specify the objects that we want to add to this collection. So let us copy this code. So first object separate by comma, second object separate by comma, next object comma, and the last fourth object. So here you can see we have declared the collection and we have initialized the collection with some elements in a single statement. Now let us do this for string as well. Let us give the comment for this. We'll use list of string. We'll say names equal to new list of string, and we'll use opening closing curly brackets, and inside this we'll specify the values separate by a comma. Let us give the names. That's all. You can guess the code for this as well. So let us give the comment and we'll say list of int numbers equal to new list of int, opening closing curly brackets, semicolon, and inside this we'll specify the numbers. Let's say that's all. So Collection Initializer is a new syntax that allows collection to be declared and populated in a single statement. Collection Initializer contains sequence of object initializers enclosed by opening closing curly brackets, separate by comma. So you can see Collection Initializer is sequence of object initializers. So here we have used object initializer for initializing our 4 objects, enclosed by opening closing curly brackets, and they are separate by comma. So I hope this second point is clear. Last and important point, Collection Initializer implicitly calls add method for each object. So here you can see we have Collection Initializer for customer class object. So collection is declared and initialized with 2 objects. It is equivalent to calling add method explicitly. So I hope this feature is clear. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to us and click on bell icon to get more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next video.